Hey guys, it's Bailey, and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair with Fancy Full Temporary Hair Color. It rinses in and washes out. So, let's get into it. So, I put my hair up, I wrapped it into a bun, and then I used a clip and held it up. So now I'm going to put some gloves on. I would do it in the bathroom, but my bathroom doesn't have very good lighting, and my dad's in the other bathroom taking a shower, so.
Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. And I've been praying hard, so no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars. I see this life like a swinging vine, swing my heart across the line. On my face there's flashing signs, seek it out and you shall find. No, but I'm not that old, young, but I'm not that bold, and I don't think the world is sold, just doing what we're told. I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing. I feel something so wrong in doing the right thing. Good night, good night, good night. Everything that kills me makes me feel alive.
Okay, so I'm done putting it in. So I'm just going to add some more, make sure I thoroughly get the top layer. Okay, and now I'm going to get a towel, wipe my face away. Any other things I will get with something else. Okay, now I'm going to go blow dry my hair and then see how it turns out. My final review on this product is it works, but I think it was just because my hair color is pretty similar, so it didn't really do much to it. It just kind of dyed the blonde streaks a little bit, so I do recommend this if your hair is lighter. Bye guys!